Hello, welcome to my Sunday From. Today we're going to be making a recipe that you saw on my mukbang, and it's going to be a burrito recipe. So to assemble this, what you're going to need is a tortilla, and I have here a pizza crust. I just warmed it up for a minute. You can use the microwave or you can use the oven. You just warm it up just so that way you can fold it. And then you want to put the ingredients close together inside of the burrito. So like try to keep it like this big, not that much farther, so that way you can fold the edges too. And then so let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is add some chili and cheese, and I think I'll put those probably in the center. And just like that, and then you can put the cheese next to it. And you can put as much cheese as you want. So I'm gonna do some more on this side. And then what I'll do is I'll add some of this leftovers I have beans, and I have potato, the loaded potato and steak. It's potato and steak and cheese and baked beans, like that. I want mine real nice and full, but so that looks good. And then I'll go ahead and put in some of this soup mixture, and just like the beans, I'm just gonna try to grab meat and potatoes, and probably not too much of the soup mix, which is like a creamy soup mix. Just like that. And then just spread it like that, and then we'll fold it. Fold it like this, and fold it like this. Actually, I just want to get some of this chili on the top and the rest of the cheese. So you just spread it like that. And then you get the cheese, and you just pour the cheese however you want on it. And just get the last bit out. just like that. And probably, you could probably spread the cheese a little bit out. That way, when it melts, it won't like fall and burn. So this is what I ate, and it was just a quick little bite, kind of filling, and it's not bad for you unless you eat, like, I'd probably say if you eat the whole thing, then it's probably bad for you. But everything in moderation. And I'm gonna pop this in the oven just like this, and we'll see what it tastes like when it comes out. We'll cool this off up here on the cooling rack. So this is the burrito, and I want to get a cut in there fresh. See what it looks like. Well, it's still warm. The cheese is melty. But I just want to give it a really, really quick taste. So I'm gonna get some of those beans. I love these burritos. The kind that have all the fillings. These are so good. Yeah, so I hope you like this recipe, and I hope you give it a try. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon on my son Defron. Bye-bye.